tree. I love you. And if you can understand me, can you please touch my face or my cheek or just move closer to my voice? Can you please move closer to my voice? Higher. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, thank you.
Hello, Tree. Hi, Tree. I know I haven't been talking to you, but this bitch on TikTok on Instagram, told me if I come talk to you, that you would talk to me. If you can hear me, move closer to my face. If you can hear me, Tree, move closer to my face. Come on, baby. I see you moving a little bit, too. I ain't gonna need to care. Move closer to my face. Tree. Oh, my God. Tree, move. Oh, my God. Don't do that.